Hi, I'm Kathy from Bird Paradise, and I want to introduce you to some of our new babies. These are called Jardine parrots, the same family as red bellies, Myers, and Senegals. They're a little bit bigger than those other birds, but they don't get any bigger than this. This is their size. Jardines make excellent pets. They're very comical. They're very playful. Provide them with lots of toys. As you can see, we have some foot toys down here. And they actually like to play on their backs a lot. And this little guy here, let me hold him upside down. His belly, his face. They're actually fairly good talking birds, although talking is not the most important reason to buy a bird, but they're actually pretty excellent talkers. And the minimum cage size would be about 24 inches wide. You can go larger. And their diet, we feed them our ultimate blend, custom blend of Bird Paradise, and fresh fruits and vegetables and fresh water. So a great choice, great family bird. Thanks for visiting Bird Paradise.